My name is Francesco Dibenedetto. I'm the executive chef of Brooklands at Peninsula by Claude Bosi. The dish we are going to prepare today is Dorset snail devil star. You will find the snail dish on the 7 course and also on the a la carte, so you can choose from the 3 courses you can have as a starter. The ideas, of course, came from using these amazing snails that we find in Dorset, but also to link with one of the traditional dishes in UK, which is the devil kidney. So to take the flavors you have in the devil kidney, but using snails. The steps of the recipes are, first of all, cooking the snails. So the snails are already blanched. What we're doing is we rinse them and we slowly cook them in a bouillon made with dashi, parsley, garlic, bay leaves. We cook it for about an hour and a half until they're completely tender. Then we cool it down on the stock. We take it, we trim them, we divide it in 3 steps. So we remove the bottom part of the snail, which we don't use it. The middle part, we will use it for the tartlet we serve on the side. And then the tongue, which is the top part, is the main dish. We are going to prepare the devil sauce today, which are some key ingredients. One of them is the cooking stock of the snails. So we sear the snails in the pan first, and then we had some shallots. We sweat the shallots down. We had a little bit of our own tomato datterino paste, which we make. We cook a little bit the datterino paste, and then we deglaze with white wine. Add the cooking liquid of the snails, reduce it down, add a little bit of cream, reduce it to consistency, and then at the end, in infusion, we have 2 different mustards, English and Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and fresh chopped tarragon. For the snail tartlet, which we serve as a second part of the dish, it's literally there to give some more freshness. So what we do is we take the second cut of the second part of the snail, we cut smaller, and we season with parsley puree and sherry vinegar, lemon zest, and it's served into a wholemeal tartlet. Finish it with wood salt. To reheat the snails before plating, so what we do is we pour the cooking liquid of the snails. We thicken up a little bit with the kuzu to give that consistency and thickness. Then we literally glaze very quickly without overheating, because it could become tough after. So glaze it very quickly and then position them in the middle of the plate, depending on the portion. If it's a la carte or egg, we go into 10 to 12 pieces. And then we pour the 2 sauces almost at the same time. We pour the parsley sauce first and then the devil sauce after. And it's finished with a leaf of buckler salt. Here we are, Dorset snail devil style.